Today we're going to be making the Flawless Victory. It's a cool cocktail. I'm going to show Dan this thing, but you guys can't see it because you didn't watch the live stream, so fuck off. Stay tuned for the Flawless Victory. This is a Mezcal cocktail. Welcome to Common Man Cocktails. Dan and Derrick, because Ian's not here this month, because he's, is that your good side? Because he's up north in Maine. We're going to make a drink for you called the Flawless Victory. So here's the story behind the Flawless Victory.
Tell me.
No story. It was submitted by John Spikes.
Yeah, see?
From Colin Nugent on Imbibe Magazine is where he put it. It's a Mezcal drink. That's the story. It's a Mezcal drink with bitter. So,
is that Nugent? Is it Nugent?
What did I say? Nugent?
Yeah.
Nugent. It's probably Nugent. Yeah, it looks like Ted Nugent.
Nougat is a packager.
Nugent, yeah.
It's really small text from here. Not a fan. What are you doing?
I don't know, but I get
That's why I haven't got my third camera working yet, because I don't want anybody to see this fucking cluster. Oh, that smells really nice. What is that? Oh, Mezcal?
Oh, it's Mezcal.
Oh, you poured out the freaking $50 Mezcal in your hand? Recipe.
It's not 50.
I'm staying on track.
Maybe.
Recipe is 1 ounce of Mezcal, 1 ounce of Cynar, 3/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice. Fuck, we have lemon juice? Yeah, we do.
I got lemon juice. See?
3/4 ounce of agave nectar, 3 dashes of orange bitters, and a lemon wedge for garnish, which I don't have because I don't have any lemon wedges. But here's your lemon juice. Don't use this.
No, I already. That's lemon juice.
Really?
Yes,
You're fucking good.
Jesus Christ Almighty! Right?
All right. I didn't think I had any drinks with lemon juice in it this month, so I got a fuck ton of limes. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe to the show.
Now you got
He's
one.
dead.
Oh my God, that's lemon, right?
Click on the bell icon.
Smell it.
No, it smells like lemon, but I wouldn't do it for a show. That's stronger than that.
I told you it was lemon.
Oh, yeah, it's like lemon head, but without the sugar.
Oh my God.
Yeah, so there's a bell icon. You'll get an email every Thursday at about 7 o'clock at night, Eastern time, with your video in your mailbox. So you should totally click the bell icon to do that.
Wow. Is Crucian Blackstrap a spiced rum?
Crucian Blackstrap is not a spiced rum. Crucian Blackstrap is a blackstrap rum, which is like a liqueur. It's just all blackstrap all up in your grill.
Right?
No, not Demerara.
No,
Molasses? Blackstrap molasses. Fuck tons of blackstrap molasses and sugar.
Don't blackstrap it.
So blackstrap rum, do not ever substitute blackstrap rum for a rum recipe that just calls for rum. You can add it to the top of a tiki drink. It gives it like that brown sugar, like mezcal, molasses flavor, but it's like a rum liqueur. Also like a cough medicine if you buy tattoo.
Oh really?
Oh. Captain Morgan tattoo is not my favorite, and by not my favorite, I would never buy it again.
So you like it that much?
Huh?
To lemon day drinkers.
To the lemon day drinkers. Hey, we got $13.99 for drinking lemons!
So we do.
Yep. Next time, we're going to have to drink pure agave nectar.
Oof.
I think I'd rather drink lemons.
Well, I knew it was lemon because I poured it in there.
But
I
made you doubt yourself.
Yeah.
And that's what you get. Our executive producer is Eric Scott. 3 years of support.
Highball?
It's, yeah. What? Yeah. I
Okay.
don't know. Let's see. It doesn't say. Pour ingredients into a shaker. Shake and strain into a highball glass with ice. Yep. 1, 2, 3-ish ounces. Don't see how that fits in a highball.
This is okay. I'm sorry. Right now, this is probably gonna look like a pretty light highball. It's not gonna fill it up.
It's not even good if it's close.
No. By the way, I don't prepare any of these things, so
We're gonna try this.
What's that?
It's appropriate. So, one of, I don't know how he found me. I don't think he's a fan, but there's a guy I met who sends me this stuff. I have another one
What's
of these.
that?
This is so he sent me this a while ago. It's a mixing glass, right?
Yeah.
But it uses one of the gin brands as a mixing glass. This is a bottle of Compari that's been turned into a mixing glass.
Oh, that's cool.
So I was talking to him. He's trying to sell them and this is a Compari bottle as well, turned into a highball glass. So what he wants to do is he does this for fun, right? But he wants to sell like sets. So you'd buy. Comment below if this is something you'd be interested in. I'm going to give you the price that he wants for these. But it's 2 of these glasses and the mixing glass as like a little set, especially good for Compari fans. But like $100 for all 3 as a set. I don't know if that's a good deal or not because I don't need glassware. But he sends them to me for fun. which is
They're nice.
He's gonna start selling on eBay, but I was like, oh, maybe I should see if he wants to make some for the store. He's like, oh, do you have glasses? He wants to take some of the old glasses if they're cool, like useful, and cut them and then turn them into stuff.
That's pretty cool.
It's like a recycled.
Recycle use.
Yeah. But it fits in here.
Yeah.
And it seems appropriate, even though we're using Cynar, that it be put into a bitter.
It would be. Yeah, it doesn't.
It doesn't have a red.
It doesn't seem to belong in a highball.
No.
No.
If you put that in the highball.
I'm trying to get rid of the lemon in my mouth still.
Really? This will get rid of it. And it's not as bitter as drinking Cynar straight like I did right before the show. Did I do that before the show? Mm-hmm. Okay. I don't know if it was in the show or... It's like all one little stream of consciousness.
Oh, it's not too bitter.
Oh, did we high five for Steven's?
Lemon day drinker.
We lemon day drinker high five for that? No slaps in the ass or anything like that? I don't remember. Bam!
That's what we do.
That's what we do here. This drink has a slight bitter.
It's slight bitter.
It actually gets more bitter as you drink it. It has a smokiness.
Yep.
It's not too sweet. It's a pretty good balance. Actually, I'm pretty impressed with that balance.
It's actually pretty good.
I guess it's made by Colin Nugent, who probably knows what he's doing.
If you like Mezcal...
It's on buyemagazine.com, so...
Definitely if you like Negroni.
No.
You don't think... Well, it's not that bitter.
No, yeah, Negroni. If you if you like a Negroni, this is like a sweet drink for you, right? Because
with a little bitter side to it.
The bitter, the
it's got some bitter in it.
Yeah, Jen try that.
It's got some bitter.
She'll tell you how bitter it is.
Yeah. Even Jen could drink that. Maybe.
Hey Tommy, you need to get Alma to make a mezcal. I would love you if you did that, or just send me bunches of piles of mezcal when you're over there.
Mezcal's good. We have to get the other stuff.
It's got a nice mezcal twist to it. The $100 bottle?
Yes.
Yeah, wouldn't make
I'll
that.
find the name.
Oh, all right.
They're supposed to be the mezcal.
They're fucking expensive.
Yeah.
I like mezcal a lot, and this drink isn't too bitter for me. I'm interested in it. I'm a good fan.
You know what? It's... If you like a little bit of bitter...
It comes at the end. It sneaks up on you.
And you like mezcal.
Yeah.
It's a little sweet, and then but the bitter makes you want to drink.
That's why I kept
you want to keep drinking it. Like
you're gonna get drunk on this drink. The flawless victory. If I didn't, I think I said that already. So, one thing I want to mention is coupon code June18, save 18% off when you go and buy some of these orange bitters. This is BitterQ Bitters at AwesomeDrinks.com. We sell them only in the big bottles now, but this is the small sampler bottle, if you will. You could buy sampler sets. I don't know if I have them in stock, but this is one of my favorite bitters. If you watch, we have I'll see if I can put it up here. A blind video that a blind tasting of orange bitters that Ian and I did several years ago, where we kind of put all these guys through their paces, and it was pretty tasty.
Yeah.
You learn a lot about bitters because you don't know what they are. You're just like, wow, this has this.
Yeah.
It's not like vodka blind, where you're like, it tastes like vodka or it doesn't. Like,
it just kind of tastes like vodka because vodka's just. Right. Ugh.
So, which is why you don't see a lot of vodka drinks on here. With the irony being that they bring in more views than most things.
Well, because everybody drinks vodka because it doesn't taste like anything.
Right. I will sacrifice my views for cocktails that have taste.
You know what? We'll do a vodka month. Oh, what are we going to do with vodka? Let's get a fucking Red Bull. Woo!
You know that people are going to ask for vodka month. It's going to be the boringest month. What month would be vodka month? Like, what is the month?
Well, yeah, I mean, every drink is done with vodka.
Yeah, you can have other stuff in it.
With vodka and...
When I made you guys dirty martinis, you guys were like, yeah, no.
No, she likes that.
Never made me a dirty martini.
You've never made her
a regular martini.
You have never made me a dirty martini.
I made you a regular martini. I didn't have the dirtiness.
There's a big difference. I like a dirty martini.
Oh, she likes the dirty. I don't have
dirty. See, vodka is vodka is
You had to say that.
boring.
Boring. It's what you drink when.
Hashtag fuck vodka.
Yeah.
I need a vodka sponsor.
Unless a vodka company wants to sponsor us, and we'll do a whole month with their fucking vodka.
Right.
There we go.
Oh yeah.
If you sponsor, we will do.
If somebody does a vodka sponsor,
we'll do a whole fucking month of vodka.
Oh yeah.
Whatever your vodka is, we'll make the shit drinks, and people will. Not like shitty drinks.
No,
really
they'll be good drinks with vodka.
Like the shit.
The best way you could do it is if you have vodka that has flavors to them, because then we could get interesting with it. We could do an entire line of just orange juice drinks with vodka.
You're like, oh, it's Screwdriver.
Yeah.
It's Red Bull. Oh, it's seltzer because everybody thinks that it's like not like there's no calories, right?
Seltzer
That's why everyone
and
drinks
vodka?
seltzer and vodka because they're like, oh yeah, there's no calories in this. I'm gonna be skinny. No, you're just gonna be drunk, and
Fat.
your drinking experience is gonna suck.
Sucky drinking experience, 60 calories per drink if you only have 1 ounce.
Yeah, suck it.
It's like 60, I think it's 120 for 2 ounces, something like that. An ounce of vodka is not free alcohol. Now, if you're on Atkins, you can drink as much vodka as you want. Because they don't base their stuff on calories, it's based on fat, and there's no
You know what?
fat.
If you're drinking and you're thinking about calories,
Protein?
It's
Protein
carbs.
and
Carbs. There's no carbs in vodka.
yeah, maybe take a run, and then have a drink of whatever you want.
Or the reverse. Have a drink, and the next day, take a run.
Yeah, or you'll
No,
drink.
don't run and then don't drink vodka.
Yeah, don't run. Don't drink and then run, because that sucks.
Short night.
Yeah, I mean, but you will get rid of all the stuff that's in your stomach, so
So
that
there's
might
that.
make you weigh less.
Right. Isn't there a disease for that? I don't think they call it running with vodka disease.
Yeah, no.
Running with vodka disease, yes.
I just created a new disease. Name that shit after me. Wait,
Yes.
that's probably bad. Like, imagine if your name's Lou Gehrig. That would be awful.
That's not
Well,
good.
they probably had that disease.
Yeah, that's the order of operations. Let's see. Executive producer, I did it. Coupon code, I did it. Recipe.awesomedrinks.com for all your favorite
Coupon code?
recipes. Is June 18% until July 7th, where you can get bitters. Make this drink if you like Mezcal. It'll probably be, I'm going to put this on recipe.awesomedrinks.com because it's pretty good.
It's good.
Sidebar, provide some more videos. I don't know what it's going to be. Maybe Mezcal videos this month. I don't know. Down below, bartender starter kit. Just turned 21 or whatever it is that you feel
You
you
just
have
turned
the money to
21,
spend.
or you started making cocktails. You know what?
You might be 25 and you just finally became a
You got one of these fucking
non-virgin.
things?
One of those fucking things?
You got one of these fucking things?
That's a prison chicken.
Fucking throw it
Throw
away.
it!
Throw it away.
Get yourself a bartender starter kit.
Yeah.
It comes with all the other stuff.
This goddamn thing gets stuck all the time. Just throw it away and get a goddamn Boston shaker.
Exactly.
You're telling Dad.
Or the pineapple one. Whatever.
You can do that too. I need to sell them. They're on sale. That's it. We're teaching you how to drink.